This is the Hohner Blues Harp. So this is Hohner's best-selling model. Show you the back of it there. And this is a brand new instrument in the key of C. Easy to open. Oops, there we go. Comes with a nice little leaflet, and there you go. So this is the MS type of harmonica. It's called modular system, and the beauty of it is that every part is interchangeable with the others of the modular system. So that's the Big River harp, and I think the Pro harp and the Cross harp. I believe those are the 4 in the modular system. So they're very easy to maintain. You can change the reed plates, you can change the cover plates, you can change the comb. It's all good. This is, like I said, the most popular one. There's the back view right there, and there's the side profile. So this part is encased. There's no holes there like there is with the Marine Band, so you get a slightly softer sound. But they've been making these for hundreds of years. Not the modular system, obviously, that is a brand new thing, which I went to visit the factory in Trossingen, the Hohner factory. If you get a chance to go and visit, check it out. It's really fascinating to see these little things shooting along and getting stamped on the side and zip, zip. It's really good fun. So this is what it sounds like. There you go, how about that? Get yourself a nice blues harp.